Hello and welcome to this unboxing and review of Lufthansa Airbus A350-900 in 1:200 scale by Herpa. Okay, so here's the box and let's firstly take a look of it. Okay, so at the top or at the front we have this huge picture of Airbus A350 and it is the registration number written here, and yes, it says 1:200 scale and it's officially licensed by Lufthansa. I actually bought this in Lufthansa shop at Frankfurt airport. It costed I think €75, quite a lot actually. And yes, so at the back of the packaging we've got another picture. Okay, it's Airbus and Lufthansa license, and yes, the manufacturer is Herpa. It is German manufacturer which doesn't do die-cast models but plastic models, and I actually prefer plastic models to metal ones. I just think they feel nicer and they're lighter, and yeah. So, and let's go on with the box. Here we have another picture, and yes, I'm doing this on my bed. And yes, it basically looks the same on almost all sides except the right side where we've got this barcode, and I think it's a serial number or something. So yes, that's it for the box. Let's open it. And yes, I forgot to mention, the box is actually quite big. Here's my hand. You can see that it's really not small, but it's what you expect from 1:200 scale model. Okay, so it seems like we have two ways of opening the box. There are those things, and also we can open it here, I think. So let's firstly look at this because it looks more good, better. Okay, okay, so this is just the window where we can see the product still in its packaging. And here it's another very nice picture of the airplane with seats in Lufthansa configuration. So here is the business class and there is the economy class. Oh, and here is the premium economy. Really detailed picture. And here we have some technical specifications, and yes, the model itself. So it seems, yes, like we have to open the box that way to actually get the model out. So I'll just pull here, and oh, there's something written. Exposure to direct sunlight and heat can damage the item in the long term. Well, okay, so we therefore recommend to store the model dust-free at room temperature and protect it from UV radiation. Yes, okay, so it just how you have to handle it. And here we have the model itself. Okay. Wow, it really just looks very nice. I've never bought such an expensive model before. So, sorry, I'm filming with one hand and opening the box with the other, and that seems impossible, so I must leave. Okay, the box is quite hard to open, but that also means that the model is securely... Okay, so there we go. Okay, so there is the stand, another part of the stand, and it seems like it just pops right there. Just a moment. Yeah, look, we have two parts. It's really a tiny stand, and it's nice because it's acrylic or plexiglass or whatever. So we just have to put this together. Okay, so that is the stand, and now let's get to the model. Some protective foil, and finally the model itself. And oh my god, that looks just wonderful, really. Oh, it's so beautiful. Just let me place it on my table. Okay, so on my desk actually. Wow, look at the detail on this thing. It's so nice. And oh, we even have this tiny writing. Wow, that's really my most detailed model, absolutely. And the engines, I think you can spin them, of course. Yep, if you blow into them, they are spinning. Wow. You've even got those little roof details. I've never had such a detailed model before, and such an expensive model. And I'm really excited to have this also, because Airbus A350 is my favorite airliner, so yeah, it just brings additional value. So here is the registration number. And yes, so really detailed. Let's look at the bottom side. We've got the Herpa logo here. Some more engine details. Wow, this thing is really detailed. And yes, so that's it. The only thing that is not accurate that I spot is the gear, because the gear isn't tilted, as you can see. Yeah, but that's really not a big deal. I mean, and it also feels so nice, the model. It has this glossy finish. Really so nice. I'm really satisfied with it. Okay, so now let's put it on the stand. Okay, so now here it is on its stand, and as you can see, it's a little bit tilted, and it really looks nice because of it. Like the airplane is actually turning, doing the left turn. Really nice. So yes, oh, here we've got general detail about it and about the manufacturer. And yes, I think that's it. Really looks nice. I would highly recommend this model. For comparison, all the other models I have are really cheaper models. I think the price of them was from 5 to 20 euro. And the best are probably that Air Serbia Airbus A320 and this AX Adria Airways A319, which is also in 1 to 200 scale, so you can just compare them and you see how big airplane actually is the A350. So yes, this is really not so detailed model. I mean, you've got some detail. I think the price was about €15 or something. But yes, nothing special. That one is made by Premier Planes. Yes, I've got 3 now with that one, 4 models in 1 to 200 scale. So 2 A320s, 1 A319, and these Ryanair Boeing 737-800. And of course that one, which I'll place just next to my other models very carefully. Okay, so like that. It just looks wonderful here, doesn't it? I'm really so happy with it. It's such a nice model. Wow. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you've liked it. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.